Hello guys, we are from Elephants Group. We will explain about describing place. For the first presenter is Faiz Alauddin Nabilah. Hello everyone, my name is Faiz Alauddin Nabilah, and on this opportunity I will explain about describing place. Jadi pada kali ini saya akan menjelaskan apa itu describing place. Describing place is a good description of a place, helps to explain what makes it so different from other place, and can give a good guide as to where it is located. A description of a place can be of a building, a room, a town, an area, or a visit. You can write about its appearance, things that happen there, and why you like or dislike that place. Jadi describing place adalah mendeskripsikan sebuah tempat di mana kita menulis untuk memberitahu orang lain tentang sebuah tempat yang belum mereka ketahui. Kita bisa menjelaskan tempat tersebut dari di mana tempat tersebut berada, apa yang banyak disukai dari tempat itu, dan lain sebagainya. Next I will explain how to write describing place. Saya akan menjelaskan bagaimana cara menulis describing place. In the introduction, give the name of the place and say where it is. Pada paragraf yang pertama kita bisa memberitahu nama tempat tersebut dan di mana tempat tersebut berada. In the next paragraph, describe the place and say why you or other people like it. Kemudian pada paragraf selanjutnya, kita menjelaskan tempat tersebut, bisa apa saja yang ada di sana atau yang lain. Kemudian kita memberi tahu apa yang kita sukai atau orang lain kita sukai dari tempat tersebut. In the final paragraph, say again why it's a good place to go. Kemudian pada paragraf yang terakhir, kita bisa menjelaskan kenapa kita harus mengunjungi tempat tersebut. Kemudian choose a place you know well. Use adjectives to describe the appearance and atmosphere of the place. Kita bisa memilih tempat yang telah kita ketahui dengan baik, sehingga kita bisa mendeskripsikan atau menjelaskan tempat tersebut dengan baik juga, sehingga para pembaca yang membaca tulisan kita akan kemudian tertarik dan ingin mengunjungi tempat tersebut. Maybe that's it for me. Thank you very much. I leave it to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Holidatul Ulfa Ulumiyah, and now I want to explain about useful expression. For the example is it offers, it's well known for, the views are, it's possible to, you should miss, it's got, the atmosphere is, you can see, it's located in, it's close to, it's far away from. What I don't like about this place is, the good thing about this place is, a popular tourist attraction is, it's popular with tourists because. Jadi kita bisa mendeskripsikan atau mengekspresikan tentang tempat atau place yang kita kunjungi. Next, for example, the good thing about this place is the beautiful beach and we can see the beautiful sunset view. The view are that there is a beautiful mountain with hills around it, cool air and tea gardens. And then the last is it's far away from city. Dari contoh di atas, yang pertama menjelaskan tentang hal baik tentang tempat ini adalah pantai yang indah dan kita dapat melihat pemandangan matahari terbenam yang indah. Yang kedua, contohnya adalah pemandangannya adalah gunung yang indah dengan perbukitan di sekitarnya, udara yang sejuk, dan kebun teh. Dan yang ketiga, itu jauh dari kota. Itulah beberapa contoh yang bisa kita gunakan dalam mengekspresikan tentang describing place. Selanjutnya akan disampaikan kepada pemateri ketiga, yakni Mbak Wardah.
Okay, here I will explain about the atmosphere or the adjective that you can use if you want to write the describing place. Okay, first, peaceful or quiet, meaning is not busy, calm, free from activities. Ancient, meaning is with a long history. Beautiful, meaning is very pleasing on the eyes. Charming or picturesque, meaning is nice, very pleasant in a unique way. Cosmopolitan, with a very mix of cultures and language. Boring, meaning is dull and interesting. Bustling, a crowded, busy place. Compact, not very big, within a small area. Noisy, full of noise. Busy, unspoiled, having an unaltered character. Pure, immaculate. Stunning, meaning is very attractive, impressive, astonishing. Example, Borobudur Temple is an ancient building that was formed around the 8th century during the reign of the Sailendra dynasty. Next, the view is peaceful. The building is very stunning. And next, I will read the example of describing place. Candi Prambanan. Candi Prambanan or Candi Rara Jonggrang is a 9th century Hindu temple collected in Central Java, Indonesia, and dedicated to the Trimurti, the expression of God as the creator Brahma, the preserver Vishnu, and the destroyer Shiva. The temple compound is approximately 17 kilometers northeast of the city of Yogyakarta on the boundary between Central Java and Yogyakarta provinces. The temple compound, which is considered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the biggest Hindu temple site in Indonesia. It is characterized by its high and pointed architecture and the towering 47 meter height central building inside a large complex of individual temples. Prambanan is impressed many visitors from across the world. Okay, I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.